Here we come. Welcome back today. My name is Latif Sadiq Asela. But in this video, I want to tell you and I want to teach you that how you can start trading with your $10. Because the number one reason Nigerian gives for not starting crypto trading is that I do not have enough money. I hear this every single day in my Telegram community. I need at least 50,000 naira before I start. I'm waiting until I save up more. I cannot trade with small money. I'm still waiting for the airdrop to pay me. This video is going to destroy that excuse completely. Because the truth is, starting with $10 on any exchange is just possible. For more beginner trading, it is actually the smartest way to start. Not because $10 will make you rich, but because the lesson you learn trading $10 properly will protect the much larger amount you trade later. Now let me show you exactly what I mean by that, because most people think a small account is a disadvantage. Is a disadvantage. It's actually the opposite for a beginner, because when you trade a $10 with emotion pressure, it's minimal. You can follow your strategy without fear destroying your decision making. You can practice proper risk management without your psychological weight of watching large naira amounts move against you. When you trade 500,000 naira before you are ready, every loss risk tropics. You reference trade, you move your stop losses. So today I will show you exactly how $10 looks on every exchange and how you can maintain it. The strategy for a small account is identically to the support band strategy that we cover in video 5. No special small account trick, no scalping secret. The same strategy apply with appropriate position sizing for your account size. Here is why I am not teaching scalping for small accounts specifically, because scalping means trading very short time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes charts, trying to capture any tiny price movement multiple times in a day. But scalping require light fasting execution, very low speed and fixed, deep understanding of order flow and market microstructure, extreme emotional discipline under pressure, significant screen time, often 6 to 8 hours per day. For a Nigerian beginner with just $10, scalping is one of the fastest way to lose that $10 to first and bad execution before you even understand what happened. The support plan strategy on the daily chart requires 30 to 60 minutes of analysis per day. It has clear defined rules. It works with small accounts just as effectively as large one. Use the strategy you already know, apply it to your $10 account, build the habits, build the discipline. The account size grows as you go. In today, nothing much we are going to teach ourselves today. It's just little enlightenment on how the support band strategy was and how you can grow to your $10, because this is the question I always hear every time and every time. Now let me just tell you the little way you can grow a small account. Just let me just show you a realistic small account grow looks like with the road number. You are starting with $10. If you achieve a consistent 5% monthly return, which is achievable with discipline but not guaranteed. Month one, you will see $10.50. You will see 50 cents as a profit. Month 2 to 3, you will see 11. Within the ending of the month, maybe in a 12 or in a year, you will see nothing less than $30. But here is the real value. After 12 months of a consistent 5% monthly returns with per risk management, you have proven to yourself that your strategy work. You have a trading journal showing 12 months of disciplined execution. You have built habits that most beginner trader never develop. You know how to manage your trading accounts properly. Now you had capital. You deposit 50,000 in naira into your account. That same 5% monthly return is 2,500 naira per month. Now you have already know how to fund your Bybit account with a small amount like this, because I've already teach you how to spoil your crypto from P2P on Bybit. Now the last section I will tell you guys is the mindset shift. Now, because before you fund your account and place your first trade, I need you to accept three things. Accept one is your first $10 account will probably lose money in the first month. Not because you are doing it wrong, because losing is part of learning. Every trade that loses on a $10 account is a lesson that costs you pennies instead of thousands of naira. Acceptance too, you have to know, is you are not trying to get rich with $10. Your goals for the first 3 months is not profit. Your goal is execute your strategy correctly on every trade and document every trade in your journal. That is success at this stage and nothing else. Acceptance three is small accounts require pretense, not speed. The temptation with a small account is to use a high leverage to make a bigger return faster. The exactly wrong high leverage on a small account eliminates the learning benefit entirely, because one bad trade wipe everything and you learn nothing useful. Now you can trade sports. You can trade because sport is zero leverage, minimum 2% risk per trade, be patient. But I will not advise new beginner to start from trade sports, because sometimes sports really ruins your life. If you don't know the outcome of the coin you are buying or you don't even understand the fundamental analysis, sport is not for you. The Nigerian trader who blow $10 account so do so by using 50x leverage trying to turn it to $500 quickly. This one will go fastly. Now this is where we are going. You have funded your account, you have studied your chart, a setup is forming. But the first thing is that before placing your first trade on your small account, run through this quick checklist. Firstly, you have to understand what we call 200 EMA that we teach ourselves in video 5. Come to indicators. Okay. And is your trade, is your coin that you, let's assume you are trading BNB, is your BNB above its 200 EMA on the daily charts? If no, you have to, don't trade at that moment. Go and watch the video 5 where we explain 200 EMA for ourselves. I don't want this video to long. The second thing is that, is there a clear uptrend with higher highs and higher lows like we are seeing here? You see these higher highs, higher lows. When it's going up, this is what we call higher high. If you see what happened here, let me bring the trend line, maybe we can see properly. If you see what happened here, I'm coming please guys. If you see what happened here, you see from this place, this trade going up consistently. You see what happened. So if you are seeing this consistently, is there a higher, is there a uptrend with higher highs and higher low? If no, if you don't see anything like this, don't trade at that moment. Don't even enter for long or any other trade like that. Just leave it like that. So the second thing you have to the third thing you have to understand is the price pull back to a key support level. If no, wait, let's assume, let's delete this one. Now let's assume the price is falling down like this. You just have to know the two support level. We have one support level here, we have two support level here. You see the price here, don't even trade. Don't say the price is coming down or is going up. Wait until you see the price at the support level, and before you trade at the support level, always wait for the confirmation. And the confirmation here, we see the candle still coming down, which telling us that probably the candle will test another support level. And at this moment, the candle end at the above this support level, is telling us the price will still go up confidently. Now another one is that, is there a bullish confirmation candle at support? If no, do not trade or do not enter any trade at all. See what happened here, as the candle close above the support level, the bullish confirmation candle start again, which is telling us that okay, the trade is already healthy. Buyer has start entering the market. Is now giving you more confidence to set your entry below above the support level again. Now in my position size calculated, so that hitting my stop loss cost me maximum 2% of my account. If no, recalculate. If you cannot avoid the money on your stop loss, please don't trade the trade at that moment. The fourth thing is that, is my take profit at least 2 times my risk distance? If no, the trade is not worth taking. You have to calculate your trade. This is the example, the trade I take yesterday, which I entered the trade at 636, and you are seeing like this is almost 666, this is almost 1:3. So you have to calculate your risk. That is my risk is it 1:3, is it 1:2, and is it match my strategy? If no, please, that trade is not worth you. Leave it, the trade is not worth taking. If all yes, place this trade, set stop loss and take profit immediately and walk away from the screen. That is your entire first trade process. Same checklist, whether your account is $10 or $1,000 or even $10,000, this is what will help you most. Now stop waiting for the perfect amount to start trading. $10 is enough to begin learning. It is not enough to get you rich, and that is exactly the point. Open your Bybit account today, fund it with whatever you can comfortably afford, even if it's just 5,000 naira. Apply your strategy journal and every trade. Drop a comment telling me what is your starting capital going to be. I reply to everyone in the comment section. Subscribe, video 16 is coming. See you there. My name is Latif Sodi. Enjoy. Have a nice day, guys.